In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Bluetooth section here and tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature. After that, wait for available devices to show up and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by clicking on this icon next to the device, choosing Unpair, and now they're disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!